What'd you get, Emerson? What'd you get?
But I'm busy.
What, honey?
I'm busy.
You're busy. Okay, I won't bug you. She's a very busy princess.
I see.
Like Gus Gus.
Play-Doh. Play-Doh.
Here comes the girl. Is the airplane flying or landed?
What's up? I got Chuckies.
New sockies?
Yes, thank you. Where'd your Chuckies go?
I put them back in my stocking.